दादा
Are we here? Yeah? I have to stand, right? What do I... Mahika, I've been... firstly, good evening everyone, and as always, Mahika's choice of venue, decor and the concept has always been fantastic. So even if you just come to enjoy an evening, Mahika's events are an evening to have fun. But the special part is the evening is always connected to a good cause, and at the end of all this, it goes to support and help, what Mahika supports, all the charity, the cancer thing. So even just by coming to enjoy an evening with her, you're being a part of a greater good cause, and that makes me very special. Maika has been a very dear friend of mine, and for many, many years. I think my association with her goes with her first show, first time she started out. I've even gone with her to the hospital where we've done yoga with all the patients there. So Maika is a very special girl. While she's talented as a designer, she always puts an evening together to help somebody. So there are many things that come together with her and with this evening. And I'm extremely proud and happy and privileged to be her friend and to be here this evening. क्यों मैंने ये नहीं सोचा था कि आप ज़रूर ये पूछेंगे. Anyway, firstly I have to say that the place where our society has come today, जो 10 साल पहले नहीं था, अगर ऐसी कोई हमारे साथ ऐसा अगर कुछ घटना हुआ हो तो we were all keeping it quiet, क्योंकि हमें ऐसा लगता था कि इस बारे में अगर हम बोलें तो we are the ones who will be shamed, the women, the girls. अगर ऐसे कुछ बता दें कि this happened, so we always felt as a woman, as a women, we feel that oh my God, nobody must know this happened to me, it's a shame. Today the beauty of this is, today women are feeling empowered and not feeling ashamed, not feeling that we have to shy away, we have to hide. We are not somebody who has done anything wrong. We don't have to be shamed. We have to speak out, protect other women, call out all the names so that nobody else suffers this, whatever is going on. So I definitely feel our society is in a place, women are getting empowered, and kudos to all the girls who've come out with it. And I'm very happy that that's where we are at in society. If you're asking if I had any personal experience, no, I don't. I can't say me too, but I'm very proud and happy to support all girls because we have to stand together, and it requires great courage as a woman to come out. And secondly, as society, we have definitely evolved to be able to accept this. So thank you to the media, thank you to society, thank you to everybody who is supporting this. Thank you. Okay?
Please move to the crystal room right now.
We'll go there after this. First of all, thank you everybody for coming and supporting the cause. आप लोग आए हैं, आपकी बातें दूर तक जाएगी. यही कहूँगा कि ये जो कर रही हैं, जिस तरह से फंड रेज कर रही हैं, फंड रेज करना तो सबका काम है ब्लू कैंसर के लिए, क्योंकि इतना रैम्पेंट है, हर तीसरे घर में आजकल कैंसर हो रहा है. प्रिवेंशन नाम की कोई चीज़ नहीं है, मगर कोशिश करना चाहिए कि किस तरह से कैंसर ना हो। अब पता नहीं ऊपर वाले ने तो लिखा नहीं है, मगर ज़मीन पे जो जहर है उसे ज़रा संभल के खाओ, बाकी कुछ नहीं है। प्राणायाम करो, सांस लो, ऑक्सीजन भरो बॉडी के अंदर, फाइट करना पड़ेगा, इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रॉन्ग करना पड़ेगा, वरना ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक घेर के रखे हैं सब लोगों ने। एंड आई एम हैप्पी दैट आई एम हियर एंड सपोर्टिंग द कॉज ऑफ माहिका वीरपुरी, और आप लोग आए उसके लिए शुक्रिया। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र।
Well, I'm expecting a wonderful fashion show और महिका is a very dear friend. वो हमेशा कुछ भी करती है, कुछ cause के साथ करती है, and it's an amazing cause. जो भी fundraising event करती है, it's going to be.
Hi, beautiful. How are you?
Very good. He's eaten something, so you can speak now.
I was very hungry. Yeah.
Yeah,
The traffic has become so bad. It was 3 hours to reach here. Sorry, what? तो वही बोल रही थी ना?
Yes, I was talking. मैं बोल रही हूँ फंड रेजिंग इवेंट करती है, बहुत ही अच्छा कॉज करती है, हमेशा कभी भी कुछ भी शो करती है किसी कॉज के साथ करती है, एंड द फंड इज गोना बी रेज्ड एंड इज गोना बी गिवन टू टाटा मेमोरियल हॉस्पिटल, व्हिच इज अ ग्रेट थिंग। या
Same thing, yeah. It's a great cause, and that's why we are here to watch the show and look at convince people to do some charity.
मैं किसी भी ऐसे फाउंडेशन जुड़ी नहीं हूँ, बट मेरे फ्रेंड्स जुड़े हुए हैं, तो उनके साथ उनके लिए आना ही पड़ता है।
यार मुझे कोई काम नहीं दे रहा अच्छा, इसलिए मैं नहीं दिख रहा हूँ। I had a small surgery. I just recovered. I'm recovering, so inshallah very soon. But next year you'll see me.
मैं वही सोच रही थी, आप लोग पूछ क्यों नहीं हो उसके बारे में?
Me Too is a very good cause by women. It's good for girls. See, girls used if they were exploited and अगर ऐसा कुछ हो रहा था तो Me Too is a very good thing. Only thing there's a very thin line.
See, don't exploit the Me Too, जिसने
Yeah,
भी क्रिएट
yeah.
किया है। I think ऐसे जो क्रीप्स हैं जो कर रहे हैं गलत हरकतें, वो बाहर आ रहे तो अच्छा लग रहा है, लेकिन ऐसे बहुत लोगों के नाम को यूज भी किया जा रहा है, which is not a good thing, which is really not a good thing.
So it's a very good cause. I mean, it's a superb thing to do. It's for the women.
For everyone, I think.
Yeah.
Even if the men are harassed, they should also put their thing.
Yeah, Bowman.
Have you on stage.
Bowman, you're wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. I think that's been really graceful. You just open your heart and your... Thanks for supporting her. I'm always there anytime you need me. Bowman, Bapu, aane uppar. Solid, sir, solid. Thank you, Dr. Sab.
Thank you, Jackie. I want to give a big thank you to Bowman for doing this wonderful, wonderful job for us tonight. And I know it's very tough, and we're humbled to have you. And thank you yet again. It means a lot to us. Whenever I ask someone to do the auction, they run away. They're like, don't call me for the show, don't take me in the front. And I'm like, guys, it's one dinner for you. It's just going for one trip. So come on, we spend so much on ourselves. This is the moment to give it to others. So help me do that. And thank you, you did that for us today. So I'm really, really happy. And I would just like to do a few thank yous. Mr. Gul Kriplani, he's always supported me, and MCAN. Mr. Taljinder Singh of Taj, is he here? Yeah, of course. Renu Oberoi for her jewelry. Year after year, she's always helped and again donated selflessly. Parvez Damania for curating the art for me today. Samraj Zaveri for the Shahze piece. Sheetal Kalbor for her art. Jay Makhijani of Simone Ventures for the beautiful Rolex. Sajid Mitta for helping me with the Suneva Fushi stay. Manika for Kasbah. Aman Dhal for the wines and the liquor. And Vikram Dhal for the Perrier. Thank you guys. I hope you have a beautiful evening. And thank you for being here every year for us.
मेरा ये मानना है कि एक्चुअली मेघा मीरपुरी जो आप जानते हैं इतनी मेहनत करते हैं, हर साल कुछ ना कुछ करती रहती है, लेकिन ये बुरा मत मानना मेघा, बुरा मत मानना, ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, करना चाहिए, ज़रूरी है। हर कोई जो इनके जगह में कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकती है, ये फैशन कर सकती, इट इज़ जैसे कि आप डिनर पे जाते हैं वैसे यहाँ पे आना है। It is and do for charity because we do not realize कि जब हम टाटा मेमोरियल हॉस्पिटल से पास होते हैं अंदर क्या होता होगा लोगों के फैमिलीज़ के साथ, पेशेंट्स के साथ। पैसे की जब बात आती होगी तो किसी को पता नहीं कि क्या हो रहा है उन लोग के दिल में, उन लोग के दिमाग में। और वी आर जस्ट दिस इज़ फैंटास्टिक। ये हमारी बॉम्बे की ग्लिटराटी है, अपर क्रस्ट है, बट दिस इज़ पार फॉर द कॉज। इट शुड बी डन एज normal, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है। Meghna, you say something.
Thank you, Bowman, for every year supporting us. And like he said very rightfully, it's very tough to raise funds. And we are fortunate that we come from that society who have that funds and therefore we can help the others. So we have to take that moment and selflessly do good for others, and which is why we invite people like Bowman and very high powerful people, because by them coming, it adds more power to the evening and people donate, and the whole purpose of today's evening is that to donate selflessly to Tata Memorial Hospital.
ओके, मेरा सवाल है किस तरीके से कैंसर पेशेंट्स तक ये आपकी हेल्प पहुंचती है, इसके बारे में जानना चाहूँगा।
About 793 patients we have treated them. We've given them voice boxes. They do, there's an Orfit mask made which is used after radio surgery. It's a huge pit. So the more the infrastructure, the more the money, the more better treatment they can do. And today we've handed over 3.5 crores to them. And with today's figure, we haven't yet announced it because I have to sit with Bowman and decide how much we've raised. But yeah, it's a journey I've taken up, and it's a huge amount of help because every little bit gets to their treatment and they cannot afford it. So every time my whole mission is please help them so their treatment can and they can have a better future.
ये आइडिया नहीं,
not an
कोई
idea.
यूनिक आइडिया नहीं है,
Correct.
ये होना ही है बस।
Correct.
कोई यूनिक आइडिया नहीं है, चैरिटी कोई यूनिक आइडिया नहीं, एक प्रेजेंटेशन है। मेहिका के पास इतना टैलेंट है कि शी डज वंडरफुल फैशन शो, तो ये एक बहाना हो जाता है। इवेंचुअली काम चैरिटी भी नहीं बोलनी चाहिए, इट्स पावर फॉर द कॉज। मैं बोलते रहता हूँ, चैरिटी भी नहीं बोलना चाहिए, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है इसमें। आई टेल यू कि सोसाइटी में बहुत there's a lot of difference between financially between many classes. When it comes to this, there should be no difference. मैंने कह रहा हूँ कि you bring people of lower income groups to say we'll go out for dinner together. नहीं, but when they are sick, they need you the most.
No, we just said.
Thank you.
All topics related to today's event.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.